In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create, manage, and use custom fields. Out of the box, MemberMouse stores a lot of data associated with a member's account, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, etc. But for your business, you may be interested in storing additional information associated with each member's account. That's where custom fields come in. For example, in the table on this page, you can see all the custom fields that we've currently defined in this system. In the left column, we have the name of the custom field, and then we have the My Account page column. If you want a custom field to show up on a member's My Account page, the member will be able to view and edit that custom field right from their My Account page. In the final column, we have Actions, where we can edit and delete the custom fields that are in the system. And you'll notice that the delete icon is grayed out for some of these custom fields. And that is because once data has been stored in a custom field, that custom field cannot be deleted. Now let's see how we create a new custom field. We just click Create Custom Field, give it a name, and then indicate whether or not we want it to show up on the member's My Account page. I'm going to check this off and click Save. Now you may be wondering in what cases we wouldn't want to show a custom field on a member's My Account page. Well, as you can see here, there's a custom field called Traffic Source. And what I'm intending this custom field to store is a traffic source that referred the customer to us. Now this is something that I'm interested in tracking as a business owner, so I can see where my members are coming from. But this is not information that I want the members to see when they go to their My Account page. Now that we've created custom fields, the question is, well, how do we get custom field data into our system? And the way we do this is either through a free member web form or a checkout form. First, we'll look at the free member web form. We just go to Web Forms, and we're on the free member web form. Now you'll notice here that all the custom fields that exist in the system are already listed here. So if we want to create a free member web form that collects this custom field data, all we do is select them and click Generate HTML. And now we can copy and paste this HTML and put it anywhere we want. And when the member fills it out and enters in their custom field information, it will be stored and associated with their account. Now we can also collect custom field information on checkout forms. Let's take a look at the default checkout page and see how this is done. So we go to Pages, select Checkout, scroll down a little bit. You'll notice here that height and weight are already being collected in this checkout form, as indicated here. Height and weight. The thing that really makes this work is the form field smart tag. Here's an example of that. When the checkout form is generated, MemberMouse translates the form field smart tag into an input field where customers can enter in data. Let's jump over to the checkout page real quick and see what this looks like. So here we are in the checkout page, and as you can see here, there's a text input field for both height and weight. Now we just recently created a new custom field called birthday. So let's see how we add this to the checkout form. We go back to our page, and I'll use the weight custom field as a starting point. So I'll copy this, paste it, change the label to birthday. Now the smart tag will be mostly the same. We're using the form field smart tag, the type is custom. Now for the ID, we need to specify the ID of the birthday custom field. Now we can easily look that up using the ID lookup tool, which is right here. We click this, select custom fields, and we see that birthday has an ID of 4, and we just click the plus sign and it inserts it into the ID field. So now if we update this page, go back to our checkout form and refresh, we'll now see that the birthday form field is now included in the checkout form. Now what about traffic source? Traffic source is not something that we want the member to actually provide themselves. And you'll notice also that it's not showing up on the form right now. If we go back to the page in WordPress, you'll notice that there's another form field smart tag here with type custom hidden. And the ID is 3. Now in this system configuration, 3 represents the ID of the traffic source custom field. And when MemberMouse processes this smart tag when generating the checkout form, it will translate this into a hidden input form field. So then the question is, how do we populate it with data? And the way we do that is by passing the data through the URL. So let's go back to our checkout page again, And let's say the customer got to this page by clicking a banner ad on a third-party website. What we could do to track that is to pass that information through the URL as follows. Ampersand, CF underscore, and then the ID of the custom field that we want to pass data for, in this case 3, an equal sign, and then the value we want to pass. Let's say banner ad. And then click enter. Now let's fill out the rest of this form. Height, weight, birthday, and submit order. Now as the member, I can immediately go to my account page. And you'll notice that my custom field data is displayed right on my account page on the right hand side. And if I click update, I have the opportunity to edit that information. Now you'll notice traffic source is not listed here, and that's because when we configured that custom field, we indicated that we did not want it to be displayed on the My Account page. But if we go back to MemberMouse and go to the Manage Members screen and click on the member that was just created and go to Custom Field Data, we'll see that the traffic source has been stored as banner ad.